In this tip of the day, let's take a look at how easy it is to convert text into surfaces using OneCNC. Now in this example, you can see we have a solid model and we have some text up at the top here that says sonar. Now let's take this into Toolpath Preview. Let's head over to the NC Manager, right-hand mouse click, and select Preview Toolpath. Notice that within Preview, we can certainly see the solid model, but we can't see the text. Now, why is this important? Well, there may be some situations where the text is close to your toolpath. So if we want to see the text within our toolpath preview, we need to convert that text into surfaces. Fortunately, within OneCNC, this is very simple. Take your cursor over into the Command Manager, select your Surfaces tool, and you're going to notice there's an option here called Surface from Font. Now before we execute the command, let's come down here to the lower right color palette and let's change this to whatever color we want. I'm going to use a dark blue. That looks great. Now let's go to our Surface from Font. Take your cursor, hover anywhere over the text, and left-hand mouse click. Once you do that, the text has now been converted to surfaces. Now when we go into our toolpath preview, you're going to see the solid model, the toolpath, and our text. All right, that's it for this tip of the day. Thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.